So the affiliate marketing cycle, it starts first with the merchant or the company or person that owns and maintains the product or the service. So they ultimately take care of the product. They also fulfill the orders directly, and they also manage customer support, returns, questions, things like that. Then you have the affiliate. So the affiliate is the person that promotes the product or the service, basically through marketing on social media or whatever means, email lists, whatever means, and they receive a commission in return for successful sales. And then you have the affiliate gateway, which is basically kind of like, it's either a website or another company that helps connect affiliates with merchants. So that just helps sort of facilitate those relationships so that merchants can have relationships with affiliates to help promote their products. And then you have the customer. So the customer is the end customer, the person that buys the product or service from the merchant. And they usually buy it through the affiliate. So they see a social media post or on the email list of an affiliate, and they see the product, that it resonates with them, and they purchase it through the affiliate's specific link. So that makes sure that the affiliate gets their commission through the sale. Like and follow for more info on digital marketing.